know I won a book and it has arrived in the mail, which is great. And I thought I would open it in front of everyone. I'm really excited to open it. And the dudes paid $48.95 American dollars to get it to me. So that's why I've been doing some weird posting lately, because these guys are great, and I wanted to post some stuff while I'm getting excited to get this book in the mail. Speaking of getting books in the mail, this book is about these two guys writing a book while waiting for a book to arrive in the mail. And you're reading the book that they are writing. So you're reading about it. And apparently you, the reader, become part of the story as well, which is awesome. Philip Friedenberg is the writer. Jeff Walton did some amazing illustrations. Whoa! It's looking good. So I'm looking forward to getting into those amazing illustrations. It's packaged well, of course. It was published in May 2001. A small press release by coronasummit.com. Go there, get the book. There'll be a link in my profile to coronasummit.com, run by a interesting, funny man called Rick Harsh, and he appears in the book as well. These just as a character, not the real man, but apparently I may appear in the book as well as I read along, because it's a book that opens up, I think, to the fourth dimension, and it's a dystopian novel that leads to self-liberation, which is unbelievable, because I'm needing a bit of liberation after all this COVID stuff. I've turned into a bit of a grumpy old man. So this book and the fact that I want a lucky man. I stay up all night to get lucky, I'm telling you. And it's pretty much a creative explosion. Apparently there's parts in the book which is like a new special effects, which is new, and people are like keeping it secret. So when you get to that page, it blows you away. And speaking of blowing away, here it is. We're talking about America and the cult of the cactus dudes. A diagnostic look at that cover, and now you'll see why the weird stuff has been appearing on my feed lately. And believe it or not, he was nice enough to make me some stickers, which I will be putting around in my travels at work. So turning up in a capital city in Australia soon, near you. Stickers make Australia read again. And that is what this book is about. It's a love letter to language and the power of books. And if you know me, you know that I love books, and books gets me through a lot of stuff. And I think this guy is into a lot of the weird stuff that I'm into. Oh, there's more stickers. And I think you should get yourself one of these. And thanks, guys. I won this through the web YouTube channel from Noah, which is Everyone Who Reads. I'll be linking all of that down So follow Noah. He's an amazing guy. He's connected me into a group of great readers, and he pushes me to read some books which are out of my depth, probably like this one, but makes me a better reader. And that's what I really like to become, as a better reader. I'm glad that it's in gold. It's a limited edition. Usually it's in a green color. Check out the link, you'll see that. Simple story. Like Rishkash, a wise man once said, how did a simple story get so complex? Glad it's in gold, because gold is a better conduit. Hang on, I think I'm getting something from it. Better have some coffee. Yeah, I'm picking up something. I'm not sure. Here it comes. It's coming to me. Thunder. Old cactus boots under a bus. Make the magic clouds. Quite funny that was thunder. That rain down on the graves of old. Finger food. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna go get some lunch.